What's up guys, Billy the intern here, and today I have my pedal car body. I want to blast this thing, so I'm going to be using our B100 cabinet. I have our benchtop cabinet at my house, but obviously it's not big enough to fit this thing into it, so that makes our B100 the perfect candidate. So I want to get this thing apart, throw it in the cabinet, and start blasting. So guys, just got this thing out of the B100 Blast Cabinet. As you can see, it made quick work of this cruddy body. The cabinet was big enough so that way I was able to move this body around to get into all the nooks and crannies. At this point, it's stripped down to bare metal, so now it's ready for me to do some body work and eventually get it in the paint. For more information on the B100 Blast Cabinet, simply visit eastwood.com.